Good afternoon, y'all. We are going to Rocio's nail appointment. So let's go. And then I have a photo shoot later on, like at 6 o'clock, with a nice step side. So they posted, don't go anywhere. I'm just kidding, I really don't talk like that. But let's go, y'all. Check out the caliente. Quema el cul. Hi, bud.
Hi.
Why are you blushing?
Good.
Say hi to people.
Hi. Hi, people.
Where we going?
To get these nails done.
Wait, what nails?
These.
No puedes mamas.
Me?
Juliana.
Oh.
Hey, gorgeous. It's hot back there, huh? Estaba al aire, ¿qué, mi amor? What? Alright guys, we're here to our destination. Mama, look at how beautiful she looks.
No. There you go, baby. Obieso? I'm just kidding.
Wow, she's clowning. Guys, oh my god. I fell asleep while Rocio was getting her nails done. And I was letting my battery charge, so there goes that. But check out her nails, it looks sick. Show them off, man. So now we are on our way to my photo shoot with Mundo. A sick ass step side.
Let's go. Why do I have to say that?
There you go. Fuck, I look hideous. Look at my nasty ass mustache. Shout out. Hey, Primo, come back.
Go back?
Yeah, go back. I saw you. It's on that left, right. Well, now when you flip a pitch, it's gonna be right here to the right. I don't know if it's Levine High School or Levine Elementary.
Oh, ¿de doy vuelta en esta callecita aquí, where it's dead end?
Yes.
Yeah, when they said no outlet.
Okay, right here to the right?
There you go. Yeah, I see you.
Ah, pues.
Órale.
Back.
Y'all ready to see this color? Here he comes. Look at that boy. Damn. What's up, man? Sure it's yours, buddy. Hey, let's put it right that way. Does this thing go sideways or no?
It's been a while since I've done it.
I estado through that end, nothing there, so.
I could try it.
But it's all shade, so let's put it right here so we can get some nice.
Facing that way or this way?
They're facing that way. So you can flip a bitch over there. I don't know. Alright guys, I'm gonna get to work. Mama, what are you doing? Come here. Hey. Let's put it over there, and I'll do video con esto ya. Put it in the car. Y vámonos para allá. Y Viana, yeah, let her drive with you. Hey, mama. Get over here. So we're done with the photo shoot. We're now gonna go to Dutch Bros. Boo's driving. Gotta make it drive.
Yeah.
Maybe in the back. Then we got the homie, Mundo, way up in the back. We're almost to Dutch Bros. We're still driving, guys. Y la Viana anda de llorona, como siempre. Mira, mira. No es cierto, ma. ¿Qué tiene?
This way?
This is an everyday thing cuando estamos en el carro con esta pepecita. She's always crying. Always crying. Hop it.
Yeah.
So,
We try everything. We try food, we try a drink, we try cartoons, YouTube. Nothing works.
nada. ¿Qué tienes, mija? Viviana, what's wrong? What's the need for you to cry so much right now? Oh, dang. I should have said it. Ya, ahorita nos vamos a bajar, ¿ok? ¿Sí? ¿Te quieres bajar? ¿Sí, mamá? Ahorita te bajo, ¿ok? Ahí te... Guys, Rocio can't drive shit. Like, even with Google Maps, she gets the wrong street. Yeah, to this day, she don't know what's her left. I tell her, go left, go right. Left? What's left? I'm like, the one that does the L. Left. Can you guys believe that? Is your girlfriend like that? Doesn't know her left and right? Comment down below, let me know. That's pretty funny. Yeah, butter. Yeah. What's wrong? ¿Eh? ¿Qué tienes, mija? She wants to go with you.
I know she does. When doesn't she?
What's your guys' favorite drink cuando vienen al Dutch Bros? Do that again.
No.
Do it again.
No.
Alright, yo. We're about to order.
What do you want?
Ice kicker.
Cat. Stop. You're gonna make me crash. How do you do it?
Funny, mama?
How do you do it?
What coronavirus? Everybody out here. Just kidding. That shit's real, guys. Wash your hands.
El peach green tea.
Just one?
Ya. Es que fuimos anoche también, güey. So.
Ah, ya está enfadado, huh? Man, we've been going like all week.
Neta, yo nomás like once, twice a week, maybe. It's late at night.
This coronavirus is bullshit. Yeah. We're like, let's go to Dutch Bros. That's the only thing we can do.
For real, huh? Are you ready?
Like I said.
Are you ready to see your photos?
Yeah. Fuck yeah, I am.
That's it get wet.
Yeah.
Let me show. We got some racers over here. Sick. Why y'all scared?
I'm not scared.
Hey, this shit's soft, bro.
Damn, you look fresh, bro.
Soft, though.
How does it feel, bro?
It's soft as fuck, bro. It's
Yeah.
comfortable. It's breathable.
It's fitted, huh?
Oh yeah. Me siento bien bófala.
Los guns, luego los shoes, luego la truck, luego el Dutch.
She hates the car seat too, so she was crying desde que la subimos all the
That's
way
good, bro. I'm
up
glad
there.
you like it.
Oh yeah,
I'm
bro.
glad you like it.
What is it that they give, like milk? What?
Truckload, I mean. It stands for sick ass trucks.
You got a Honda meet out here, yo.
It used to stand for Santa Ana, but then when they spread out to other cities and shit,
They changed it?
Yeah.
I never knew that.
Yeah, bro.
I just learned that right now. I thought it was always Santana. Start admiring your truck, bro. They're admiring your truck. Watch. Need them views. So go to the light, you know, this and you're gonna go to Insta Shot.
It's the shot. Or just in shot.
Ese de abajo.
Este.
Yeah. Download it. And then right there you can add music to your videos. It's a very easy way.
Sale. Right.
Caca.
Yeah, bro. Fuck it. El de YouTube.
I was like, oh my goodness, like you look different. I'm tired of like the same look. And so my hair was like,
Fuck my work sticker.
tell my mom not coming here.
A la verga. I got this.
I know it already looks like it's going a lot from that lane.
Yeah, and she cut it like up to here. And I
Tiene
was
buena
like,
mano.
yeah. I was like, what the fuck did I do?
Focus.
Hey, no.
No, hasta se chocó poquito,
The
but
good thing
All
is that
good.
it goes fast though, huh?
Yeah. No.
Whoa.
What? Sorry.
Chaka. Got it.
Your hands are dirty.
That's a wrap, bro.
estamos, hell yeah. Thank you, bro.
All right, thank you.
Estamos.
Back to the
Yes,
car
sir.
seat, back to our
¿Vas a dejar ahí, güey?
A la madre.
Mama, let's go. Let's go. Civics. Civics.
Nick, can we pass the car through like a washing machine or something?
Yeah, I need to.
There's one right here. Close this.
Yeah?
24th and Thomas.
We need a sticker, babe.
I'll do it.
Look at this car compared to that one.
So I guess what I'm gonna do next, what we're gonna do next is pass the car through the car wash. ya que la del primo está bien shiny. Está bien shiny. Alright, but I'll see you next time, güey.
Pues, estamos.
Later.
Yeah. Because it's all about your truck.
We are home.
She's so dirty. Look at her hands.
She's so tired. She just woke up from the car. She's
She
mad.
is very grumpy right now.
She's about to go shower. I'm gonna look at some of the pictures I took of Mundos truck, and then yeah, follow the Instagram Pure Media Always Trucking and my Don Puma. I'm gonna post everything on there. Thank y'all. Have a good night.